Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Today I'm sharing the most beautiful and amazing collection of crochet table runners with you guys. These are the most stylish and amazing collection of crochet table runners which I'm sharing with you. So watch my video without skipping it out till end. And if you love my content, do share it with the people as well. I'll be bringing on this kind of amazing videos for you guys on a daily basis. Look how pretty and amazing the designs are. I hope that you guys would also be enjoying my video. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Go visit my videos. If you like my videos and content, do share it with the people as well. I'll be bringing on this kind of amazing videos and content for you guys on a daily basis. Look how pretty and adorable the designs are. I'm in love with the collection of these beautiful and stunning crochet table runners. These are the most stylish collection of these crochet table runners. I hope so that you guys would be loving my video. May Allah bless you all forever. Keep watching, keep supporting my video. If you have any kind of question or query regarding this video, you can clarify right through me in the comment section. I am always there to guide you and to support you. May Allah bless you all forever guys. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. Keep supporting me with the same spirit. Look how beautiful and adorable that these designs are. I hope so that you guys would also be enjoying my video. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. May Allah bless you all forever. If you have any suggestions or recommendations for my channel, do drop it down in the comment section. I'll be looking after them to all. Thank you once again for taking out time to watch my video. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, go subscribe to it and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when my new video is out. Thank you once again for taking out time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. If you have any kind of question or query, you can clarify right to me in the comment section. May Allah bless you all. Do give me honest reviews about today's video guys. This was it for the video of today. We'll be right back with some new collection soon for you guys. Till then, enjoy my previous videos and keep supporting me with the same spirit. Stay home, stay blessed, stay safe, and keep watching and supporting my videos. Allah Hafiz, fi Manullah. Take care.